डिफेन्स एक्सपो खातीर सेक्युरिटी गार्ड गोंयकारांक घेवपाचे बंधन आसतना भायल्या एजन्सीक कॉन्ट्राक्ट दिला म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो आरोप। दिल्लीच्या सेक्युरिटी एजन्सीक कॉन्ट्राक्ट दिला तो बीजेपीचो मनीस। ते एजन्सीच्या सेक्युरिटी गार्डाचेर खून, चोरये सारकेले आरोपूय आसात। एक्सपो खातीर थारायल्ल्या सेक्युरिटी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाची विजिलन्स इन्क्वायरी मागतले। गृह खात्याचो सेक्रेटरी संजीव गडकराक सस्पेंड करचो म्हूण काँग्रेसीची मागणी।
It's a corporate agency from Gurgaon. The owner is Ravindra Kishore Sinha. Sinha is the brother-in-law of our own governor. He is also a nominated BJP MP from Buxar, Bihar. Such an influential man has been given license.
In the present case, we may grant license for a period of 2 years as provisional. Though there is no provision, though there is no provision, तुझे कितें घरातले rules ते, तुझ्या पार्टीचे ऑफिस ते, is it your party office? It is government of Goa. You cannot make your own rules. We are first step. We are filing a vigilance complaint against both Manohar Parrikar, Sanjeev Gadkar, these intelligence, these security agencies, and all those responsible in this entire transaction. तांची लायसन्स विड्रॉ करची सेक्युरिटी एजन्सीची आणि HRDCच्या अंडर जे भुरगे घेतल्या तांकां ते सेक्युरिटी गार्ड म्हणून धाडचे। फाल्यां क्रायम जायत कितें जायत हाका कंप्लिटली जबाबदार भाजपा सरकार आसतलें।
सुमार 350 वखदांचेर बंदी हाडपाच्या केंद्र सरकाराच्या निर्णयाक गोयच्या केमिस्ट आनी ड्रगिस्ट संघटनेनी उकार दिला। मात ह्या निर्णयाक लागून केमिस्टांक 3,000 कोटींचे लुकसाण जातले। ही वखदां तांकां परत कंपन्यांक धाडची पडटली। एकदम इतल्या वखदांचेर बंदी हाडच्या बदला सरकारान टप्प्याटप्प्यान ते करपाक जाय आशिल्ले म्हूण संघटना मागता।
The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of Central Government, via its notification dated 10th March, has banned about 350 fixed dose combinations. These are called the FDCs, and this notification includes all the popular cough syrups that you might be knowing, like your Corex or Fencidil, then child cough suppressants like Tixilix, Protusa, Ascoril D syrup, then Respira syrup, Respira D syrup. Then there are anti-diabetics, the painkillers, and certain other various drugs that were in use for a long time. We welcome the step. As far as the ban is concerned, definitely it is a very good initiative on the part of the government that whatever the steps they have taken is good. But when it comes to returning the stock, we feel a pinch because it is a national loss. Slightly if they had applied their mind and they had gone with this kind of step, then I think we could have saved almost 3,000 crores.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।